In this Python tutorial, we are going to learn how to connect to MySQL. After that, I will show you how to run a select query in Python. Before we start, make sure you have both Python and MySQL installed on your computer. If you don't, check the pinned comment below this video where I've shared the links to tutorials for installing both programs. Once you got them installed, you can follow along with the steps in the video. First, we will install the mysql-connector-python module. You can start the installation by running this command. Next, let's import the required libraries. When connecting to the database, errors might come up, so we will use try, except, and finally blocks. In the try block, I will call the connect function. We will pass it host, user, password, and database details. If the connection is successful, we will print a success message to the console. If there is an error, we will handle it using the except block and print the error message to the console. Finally, in the finally block, we will close the database connection. I am connecting to MySQL database with the following details. Username is root, password is turtle, and database is world. I will adjust the user, password, and database variables accordingly. Now I will run the application. We successfully connected to the database and then closed connection. Let's test what happens if I set the password incorrectly. When I enter the wrong password, the program throws an error. When I fix the password, the connection works fine. Now let's see how to run a select query. I will first write the query in MySQL. Now let's run this query in Python. I will create a cursor variable and pass the query to the execute function. The query has 3 columns. Using the fetch all function, I will assign all the results to a variable called rows. Then I will loop through the results using a for loop and print each row to the console. And that's it. That's how you can connect to MySQL and run a select query in Python. Check out other Python tutorials on this channel for more content like this.